Do you like apples?
Boom! How do you like them apples?
What?
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, and welcome to the Dolomites here in Italy. The girlfriend and I spent about 15 hours on a plane yesterday and flew in from Denver to Venice. From there, we got a rental car and drove the 2 hours up to Cortina d'Ampezzo, which is in the heart of the Dolomites and was also the location of the 1956 Winter Olympic Games. It's currently 10:35, and we usually start our hikes a little earlier than that, but we had ourselves quite the morning. We woke up, we went out to the car, and we noticed that battery was completely dead when we woke up. Because of that, we had to pay €70 to have a mechanic come up and jumpstart our car. But it doesn't stop there. We drove about 45 minutes east to get to this hike, and wouldn't you know, there was packed traffic and every single parking lot here was full. So we actually had to take a bus up here, which costs about €4 each, which in my opinion isn't too bad. It was like a 5-kilometer or a 3-mile one-way up. At least at the bus stop, there's a cool little hotel. We stopped in, grabbed a cappuccino, and then we're able to wait in line for the bus for a few more minutes before we jumped on. Even on the bus, we couldn't find everything going right for us. Savon spilled her coffee, so we had half a cappuccino on the way up here. But now that we're finally up here, there are 2 hikes today that we're gonna be doing that I've been so pumped for the last 2 years to do. The more popular of the 2 hikes, called Cime di Lavaredo, is actually right behind us at the main bus station, and that's where you're gonna find the most amount of people at. But where we're going first is a cool little lookout here in the Cadini di Misurina group. And it's a really popular spot. Instagram had it blowing up, and there's people like crazy coming here. But this is just one spot I did not want to miss on this trip, especially being so close to one of the most famous hikes in the Dolomites. There isn't even like a set hike on all trails or any other map really. There's just kind of like a little community of people that say, okay, go this direction for that amount of time and you'll hit it. So hopefully you find it. We've been looking forward to this trip for a long time coming. We're supposed to come here 2 years ago, but obviously COVID changed some plans. So we're back here today to make up for lost time. Let's go find this lookout. We're only about 25 minutes into hiking right now, and literally just went over that mile mark, and we just found the lookout. There's maybe 2 people here. There's nobody else around. And this is one of the most beautiful sights I've seen in my entire life. Let's go check it out. So this Italy trip, I mean, as important as it is to me to travel outside of the country at least once a year with my girlfriend, I've been really waiting for this trip. About 2 years now, since we were originally supposed to take it with my girlfriend's parents. They can't come this time, but I know they'll be there with us in spirit. And the biggest reason for this trip is for this right here. There's a place in the Dolomites called Cadini di Misurina, and I've been waiting over 2.5 years to go to a specific lookout spot and ask my girlfriend a question. So this hike, this video that you're watching right now, it's about to get a little more interesting. Hope she says yes. I'm gonna take a selfie view with her. Oh yeah, looks good. Going. All right, turn back around and do the thing again.
What? Oh my goodness.
I had a big speech prepared, but Haley, take shots. I love you. I don't want to be a way else.
Oh my goodness.
You surprised?
I am. Oh my god. I love you.
Well, first, what do you say?
I love you. Yes. Oh my god. I'm so surprised. Love you, honey.
She said yes!
Woo!
Future Mrs. Grasser right here. Hope our parents are happy. All right, guys, so me and the lady are obviously super pumped. Hope you enjoyed that. That lookout spot right there has been the spot ever since 2.5 years ago when we planned this trip. That has been the spot that I've been waiting to propose to Savon with. I don't know, we couldn't be more happy. 12 of our friends and family watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. Can't wait to get back and enjoy and celebrate with you guys. And right now, we're actually gonna be heading back over to the main Rifugio here at Rifugio Auronzo, and then actually go do one of the most popular hikes you can do in the area, Cime di Lavaredo, which is Italian for the 3 peaks or the 3 towers. And I'm super pumped because this hike is beautiful that we're about to do, and it's gonna be our first one as newly engaged couples. But again, I wanna thank you guys so much for watching. This has probably been the best hiking experience I could ever have asked for, and we've only been hiking for like an hour. So that's amazing. Hope to see you in a boot. We'll catch you next time.